What time of year is the cheapest to replace a furnace? This is a smart question many homeowners in Tulsa, Oklahoma ask when their system starts showing signs of age. In most cases, the most affordable time to replace a furnace is during the spring or early summer. Demand is lower because heating season has ended, which means more flexible scheduling and often better pricing and promotions. Many homeowners wait until fall or winter when their furnace fails, and that is typically when demand and urgency are highest. Here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, cold snaps can arrive quickly. If your furnace is over 15 years old, needs frequent repairs, or struggles to heat evenly, spring is the ideal time to plan ahead. Replacing it before peak season helps you avoid emergency installation pressure and limited availability. If your furnace is aging, do not wait for a winter breakdown. Schedule your furnace replacement evaluation today or call Pro Thermal Heating and Cooling to get started.